Hi everyone, Missy Coda back again with part 2 of my live dev interview of Black Horizon Studios. We're going to start playing with Emerald AI. This is an introduction teaching you how you can use Emerald AI in your own projects. This was taken from my live Twitch stream, all the www.twitch.tv/themessycoda, where every Fridays and Saturdays you can catch me on Twitch playing about making dev tutorials and also interviewing amazing people like Black Horizon Studios. Wow, you got to sit back. Enjoy this fantastic introduction tutorial into Emerald AI, and I'll see you all in a second. Here's our little doggy.
There we go.
Beautiful. Alright, so now what do? We've got a doggy in our scene.
Open up the setup manager.
Shift Control E, setup manager? That one. Here we go. I need to drop it in here so everyone can see. Here it is. Wonderful. Okay. Now I'm going to guess we drag in the doggy into there. And we saw over here that we've got AI's behavior. I can choose if he's going to be passive, cautious, companion, aggressive, or pet. So I'm choosing that over to be companion. And his confidence, he's going to be a brave doggy. I tell you. Oh, West Rider, thank you for the follow. Oh, lovely. He's AI Wonder type. This is interesting. So what's the difference between the 4 AI Wonder types?
The Wander type doesn't apply to companion AI because they follow the player, but dynamic means they just generate random waypoints within like a radius. And then there's waypoints where AI can follow a series of waypoints that are set by the user. And then there's stationary. And then there's one where you can programmatically set a destination through code.
Ah, okay. Cool. Well, we'll have to play with that later. Mark Game Dev. Why is everyone hating on my game? Nobody's hating on your game. You just mentioned the part of your game, Mark, is that you're out with your wife and then you get abducted and stuck in a cage. That would cause me trauma. If nobody watched Dexter, I don't want to give any spoilers to Dexter, but there's a particular scene in one of the series of Dexter, and I'm still traumatized from it. So I'm sure your game's going to be wonderful, but yeah, I just don't want to. Just freak me out. That would. Yeah, I'm a sensitive person. I think after having kids, things seem to mess you up a lot more than they previously wouldn't have. I think. I don't know. So there you go. There you go, Mark. Nobody's hating on your game, but as we're saying, yeah, Dexter. We are here to see if we can help make your game even better by using Emerald AI. So if you want to have AI in your game and you want to see a great way of doing it, either spawning your AI or having your AI coded from entirety, you can do it with BHS's kits. Somebody give me an exclamation mark Emerald in chat. Give me an exclamation mark Emerald in chat. And also don't forget that there is a 20% off currently on the Unity Asset Store for UniStorm. Is that on UniStorm mobile and the desktop version, 20% off, or is it just a mobile version?
Just a mobile version for now.
Oh, I'll tell you what, guys. There's going to be a free upgrade later for UniStorm to UniStorm 3, and I've just found a loophole. Get yourself in, buy the mobile version, and then upgrade to version 3 later. There you go, quickly now. Everyone run on the Asset Store. Do me an exclamation mark. I don't know if we've got an exclamation mark BHS. Click on that link for Emerald AI, go on the Asset Store and quickly buy his UniStorm now while it's 20% off, and save yourself some money for when he upgrades to version 3 later on. Sorry mate, I've just cost you a load of money. There you are. At least I found a loophole in your sales strategy, taking advantage of it with everyone on stream. So
that's fine.
We've got here auto optimize. What does that do?
That's something that's applied automatically, but what it does is it allows the AI to be disabled if it's either cold or if it's not visible by the camera to help boost performance.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Would you like to set up your animations now or later? Shall I leave it on now?
Yeah, and just go to create animated controller.
Okay, let's click that button. All right, now it's popped up where it wants me to save it. Everyone at home can't see that, but I'm going to stick it in a folder. All my stuff. For some reason, my SSD is taking ages to do anything. And I'm going to call this one animations. I'm going to call this one here doggy.override controller. Once again, nobody at home can see what I'm doing. And I've just remembered that you can't even see what I'm doing because I'm not sharing my camera with you anymore on Discord. So let me share my camera. Let me share my screen rather than share my camera. You don't want to see my face. Nobody wants that in their life, not even my wife. So there you go. Now you can see what I'm up to. So now down here in the setup manager, a load of other things have popped up.
Yes, so that is where you apply all of the AI's animations. And once you've finished applying all of them, you press Setup AI, and the Setup Manager will apply all of the animations to the animation states for your AI.
So now we need to... How has he got them named? Okay, he hasn't got them... How do I know which one's the doggies one? This isn't helpful. Why would he not name his animation? Oh, I hate when people look. Everything's deaf. Everything's got this. Once again, nobody at home can see what I'm doing. I'm scrolling through trying to find the animations for my little doggy woggy. Talking about that, why don't we click on doggy? Nope. Where is he? Oh, it's in all my stuff. Doggy. Here we go. So you got bind, pose, idle. Are they exported? Here they are. Okay. So I could just do it this way and just drag him in, I suppose.
Oh, there you go. So dash that. There you go.
So like that. Idle. Do I need to have 3 idle animations, or is 1 okay?
One is totally fine.
Okay. Idle alert animation. What's that?
Alert is when it's not used for companion AI, but it's used for when an AI, a target is outside of the AI's field of view, but they know they're there.
Ah, okay. Like his ears pricking up or something.
Yeah, exactly.
Ah, cool. Wonder if he's got something like that. Oh, he's got a pissing animation. He could do a wee. Look, let's have a look at that. That's disgusting. That's awesome. Oh, brilliant. Alright, so let's do the main ones. So, is idle combat animation and warning animation relevant for our companion?
The warning and alert aren't, but the combat is.
Okay. What kind of animation do you think would be good for that then?
I think you could just do the basic idle.
Okay, let's chuck that in there. Let's chuck in that idle in all those 3, just so got something. Alright, so walk animation. I'm pretty sure he's got a walk animation. It might be down under W. Here we go. Walk. Beautiful. Beautiful doggy. Okay, and then he's got a... Okay, you got to turn left and turn right, but would there be a difference if it's a walking turn left and a walking turn right compared to a running turn left and a running turn right?
The AI slows down when it turns, so usually a walking turn left or right works. And even just a walking straight can work too if your AI doesn't have a turning animation. Okay. So that should work.
This is a stationary turn, and then he's got a walking... Why has he got his head down? Oh, he's smelling. Okay. So which? Oh, okay. We'll put the walking one or the stationary. We'll put the walking one.
I think the turn left and right would work well.
Hang on. Can you see the on my screen?
Yeah.
So that's turn left, and this is walking turn left.
I would just use the turn left and turn right.
Okay, cool. And then we need to find the run. Here you go. Wonderful. And now we've got attack 1, attack 2, attack 3. Pretty sure he's got... Here you go. Oh, he has got a fight. Oh, look, he did have an idol. There you go, combat idol. Lovely. Oh, we chucked that one in.
Oh, there you go.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Lovely. Beautiful. Hit. Don't know what that's supposed to be. Has he got a attack? There you go. Oh, oh. Oh, look at that. Oh, he's a lovely. Put that one as an attack 2. What's this one? That's a bit too much like the other one. Wow, this is a lot of animation. Somebody give me an exclamation mark dog again in chat, because this is, I didn't realise just how many animations this dog has got. Wow. That is amazing. Okay. Put that one as the first one. Oh no, it's him getting hit. Okay, no, we don't want that. It's him getting hit. Alright, stick that one in. And run attack animation. So I put that hit in there. Run attack animation. Does he have a run attack? Maybe he's got one.
If it doesn't have one, it doesn't have to be used.
No, I don't think he's got one. He might do, because there's just so many. I'm a little bit lost, to tell you the truth, trying to find the right animation. And then death animation. Okay. Death. Oh, he's got lots of different ones. Oh, that's a bit of aggressive death, isn't it? Oh, those. Oh man, it's sad. Oh wow, these are very traumatic death scenes. Okay, I think we'll put that in. Right, so we've got our animations in. Okay. Now I click set up AI, I'm assuming, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Would you like to set up AI on this? Hang on, cancel. Which object am I talking about? It was this object, yes. So that's the one that was in at the top here, AI object. Lovely. Okay. Set up. Oh! That was quick. So now it's gone and done everything for us. So we can see on the right hand side we've got the Emerald AI script attached, temperament options rather, behavior, companion, confidence, he's brave. Oh, you can set how much health he has if he drops down to that he would run away from.
Yes, that doesn't work with companion AI though. It's the cautious AI type will do that.
Okay. And then we've got the wonder type, which doesn't apply to our companion. But I love how you've got all of the instructions here to say what everything is. Combat style. Does that applies to our companion to say that if he will just jump in or wait to be attacked first?
Yes, that's correct.
Let's put him on defensive, so he doesn't start aggroing everyone. The animator automatically now has got my new doggy animator controller.
Yes.
We've got our audio source, rigid body on there, and the nav mesh agent. Okay.
Yes, and for now, you'll uncheck apply root motion.
Where am I on the
animator controller?
Where am I seeing on the? Okay, here we go. I shouldn't have had a nap in the afternoon. Levels of maps. The Southpaw combat style, exactly. Chat is a little bit lag behind the video, but I know exactly which bit you're talking about. So now we need to put in our player. So I'm going to use the standard Unity first-person controller. Okay, this is us. Get rid of the other camera. We don't need that. So now what do I do to make my first-person controller the human that our companion is going to be following around?
Set the tag to player,
Yep.
and for now, just use the water layer because it's the default layer that is included with all projects.
Okay. And now I go back to my doggy.
Sorry, the stream is a little bit behind, so.
The oh yeah, if you watch the Discord, I'm sharing my screen with you rather than the actual stream itself. You should be fine.
Okay. So now go to set your tag at the top of the object.
Okay, yeah.
Set that to respawn,
Okay.
and then the layer to water. And we're just doing this because it's the default layers that are included. Yeah, that doesn't matter. And so next go to detection and tag
Okay, cool.
options.
Yep.
And set the detection layers to water.
Done.
And the attack player, AI attack player to never.
Okay,
Right
this one here.
there. Yep.
Yep, brilliant.
And that should be good for now for testing it out.
All right, cool. Should we click play?
Yeah.
I tell you what, I'm going to click save scene in case anything goes horrendously wrong. Companion test. Ooh, keep your fingers crossed, everyone. Maximize on play, turn off our little statsy thing. Where's our doggy? Oh, there he is. Hello, doggy. He's
Oh. You need to set the animations to loop.
Hello, dog.
So right now he's following you, but his animations aren't set to loop.
Yeah, awesome. All right. So
go to the animations tab.
okay. Hang on. My animation doggy doesn't have any of those animations applied to that we set in the setup wizard. What's that?
Go to your dog object.
Where's doggy? There's doggy.
Go to the animations tab.
Yep.
So click where it says idle.
Yep.
And so you'll need to set the idle animation, walk, and run to loop. And that can be done by just... So you have to scroll up to the parent object.
Yeah, so... Wow, everything's so slow. I think are you... There. Import and...
Where it says default, try selecting loop. Oh, okay. At the top?
Yeah.
Try using wrap.
There you go. Mexico wants to copy Fallout. I do want to copy Fallout. That's exactly what I'm doing. Okay, that's weird. need to do that thingamajig where you're actually taking all of these out and saving them as individual ones. I always find that a lot easier. I find it a lot easier now when you've got these models and you just take each of these animations and have it as its own FPX, and then you've got it. You can just drag them in, edit them, play about with them in UMotion, do whatever you want with them. I was playing about with 3D Massin's FPS weapons kit, and it was such a pain in the bum that all of his models have the animations like this. Massive pain in the bum. But yeah, odd. Splits out all of your animations for you and applies looping. Oh, Yolan, I've missed the bit what you're talking about beforehand. What are we talking about beforehand, Yolan? Let's go back in our doggy woggy. Update. Your animator controller is up to date. Update animator controller. Here we go. Legacy animation attack jaw cannot be used in the override doggy. Legacy animation clips are not allowed in animation controller. To use this clip, use animator. Blah, blah, blah. You must re-import generic or human animation clip.
Okay, so the mechanism one looks like.
I've lost you again.
There
you go. You're back. Oh, the animation tool you were working on, you shared a video with me a while back. Okay. Nice, Yolan. We'll have to play about with that. Hang on. Which one's this? Oh. This guy's got too many prefabs in his pack.
The one.
There we go. You're back again. I lost you again. Hello? Actually, I think it might be... Okay, how's that? Are you back again?
Yes. Now I can hear you.
I think it was Unity trying to bake lighting and causing Discord not to work. I think that was the problem. Alright, so hang on a minute. How do we kind of... I can't remember how you convert all of these things into
I tell you what. Let's have one more.
Humanoid, create avatar.
It'd be generic.
Oh yeah, generic, because he's a doggy woggy. Blah, blah, blah. Apply. Did I use the right one? Yes. Now.
Try selecting the idle animation again to see if we can make it set to loop.
Oops. Hello? Hello?
Okay, so go to the parent of that.
Yeah.
There we go.
Animation, there it is. Now we should be fine. Now we should be fine. There you go.
There we go.
God's sake. And walking. Walk, walk, walk. Walking smell. Oh, I really want to use the walking smell. That'd be awesome. Here we go. Walk and scroll down to the bottom. Loopy loop the walk.
Also do the fight idle and run. You should be good to go.
Brilliant. They're all at the top. It's always nice to see. Here we go. No matter how many years you use Unity, there's always, can never remember doing how anything works. It's like every day using Unity is a whole starting again. Alright, attack, hit left. Where's our run?
It should be.
We had a running, didn't we? Here he is, run. Kiwi Hawk! Kiwi Hawk really wanted to come onto the stream to watch you and talk to you and ask you a load of questions about well, what was it you wanted to ask questions about, Kiwi Hawk? He was worried that he wouldn't be able to make it in time. But he's here. And we've got which one was it? I really wish we put the pissing one in. Okay, turn left and turn right. UniStorm 1.7, that was it. Well done, Fresh Meat. In your video for UniStorm 1.7, you've got a load of nice looking assets that you used. He wants to know what those assets were, where you got them from. Do you remember?
If I remember correctly, it was MK4's assets. Let me check for you. I'm trying to remember. It's been a little while.
And then we've got a death animation. Hit front. Did that have to be looping, or is it just one play?
No, it's just the ones that loop, like walk, run, and idle.
That's it. You're saying they look a lot like Skyrim. Oh, look, there's our doggy. Okay, okay, we've got him on the... Come on, doggy. Did I give you the wrong idle animation? You seem to be... you seem to be a little bit upset about something. So, let's go back to our doggy here. Oh, he's flipped them around. Lovely. Idle. What the? Okay. Let's go back to our... No, he's got this animation, this idle one.
It's probably is it the fight idle? I don't know if he's...
Yeah, why is he...
he's in that.
So you've got idle one animation, idle alert, idle, but he seems to be going straight into the idle combat one for some reason. Any ideas?
I don't have any ideas. Maybe that's just how I set it. And there you go. That should do it.
Okay, you a bit more relaxed about things? Yeah, so he's a bit more relaxed about stuff. So if we wanted to add more to the Emerald AI animated controller, would we be able to do that? Are we able to customize the Emerald AI animated controller to add more animations?
Currently, you can add emotes that can be called programmatically, but you're limited to 3 idle animations and 3 attack animations for now. But I do plan on improving that to make it a little bit more customizable.
Let me just put down the sound of my FPS controller. So if we wanted to have the dog pissing animation, we would do that as an emote?
Yeah, but emote needs to be called with a custom script. Yeah.
So Sonia's asking, are you supporting blend trees in your animation controller?
Not currently, but I do plan on taking that route when I get the chance.
Right, so now we've got our companion. We need to stick an enemy AI for our companion to take on. So I'm going to guess that's going to be pretty straightforward like this one was.
Yes, but you just set it as aggressive.
Alright, so let's have a look at our... What have we got in our pack? Creatures pack. The cockroach? Ooh, no, not that one. Insect. That's a freaky one. Yeah, how about that? And he has an attack animation, a death animation, a flying animation, a get hit animation, and an idle. Okay, so he doesn't have a lot of animations, but it should be enough for him to be set up as a monster. So I drag him into here, if I'm remembering what we did. Make him aggressive.
Mm-hmm.
Make him foolhardy. What does that do? He'll just run straight in, Leroy Jenkins style.
That means he won't flee from combat. So if you use a cautious one, they will flee once their health reaches a certain amount. But foolhardy will just keep fighting until they die.
Okay, cool. Sengoku's saying, what about multiplayer compatibility for Crux and Emerald? Do players see the same monsters doing the same stuff?
Not currently, but I do want to add multiplayer support. It has been something that has been requested. And as soon as I'm done with my Emerald update and my UniStorm update, I will get to that.
Cool. Did you miss the talk about UniStorm? Not yet. Let's just work out adding this naughty fly thing. AI type. So dynamic, he'll just go randomly about the place.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good enough for now. Okay, great. And I'm going to call this one fly. And now we drag in the idle into here. He getting hit. Oh, it's remembered all of the animations for the doggy. It's not going to override the doggy one, is it?
No, it won't. It's just because you didn't dash it, so it didn't clear him.
Okay. Walk animation. We don't have one, but we've got a flying. So that's that one.
That should work.
And that's the same for our running.
And for turning in left and right.
Yep. We don't actually have a turn left and turn right. Now we've got, oh lovely, we've got different attacks. So attack 1. And we've got an attack 2. And we've got an attack 3. Don't have a run, so we'll stick in our not idle. We will stick in our fly for our run. Getting hit, we do have a get hit animation. Lovely. Boom, boom, boom. And we've got a death animation as well. Beautiful. And now click setup. Yeah?
Yep.
Yep, let's do it. Now on our insect. Foolhardy, aggressive, dynamic. Use alert radius no. So what does that do?
That just... so when a player gets, or a target gets near, it will expand its wandering radius to look for the target. But that only applies for the field of view setting.
Okay, cool.
You also need to set your animations that you apply to loop.
Let's hope they already are. Click the. Oh no, he's not. Oh dear. Flying.
Just
doesn't
the
need to be.
idle. Yep.
And idle. Lovely. Fresh news back
Next,
from his
you'll
daughters.
need to set up the tags and layers.
Oh yes, our tags and our layers. So, what tag should we have for our insect?
For now, just use the respawn
And
the yep,
is he going to
the
be
water layer.
Oh, okay, so he's not. You don't use the animal one then.
I'm just using the ones that are included with every project because it gets too confusing if you have to create one. That's why I just stick with the default layers. So I hope that's not too confusing.
Nope. Okay, now do we go to detection and tags?
Yes.
And tag options. Detection layers, water.
Uh-huh.
And follow a tag. That's for companions. So that's not relevant.
You'll need to set up this AI's faction because by default the dog and the insect will have the same. So
Okay.
you can just give it
So
give
make
it
him
an
NPC?
EC. Yeah. And have it.
Creature. There you go.
Why don't you set it to total faction relations to 1?
Whereabouts this?
Right at the very bottom.
Okay, right down to the bottom. What does that do? Just saying
So the factions allow you to customize factions for each AI, so they know how to act accordingly to the faction.
Okay.
So you can set that one to. So this is like set that to animal. And so what that does is it sees all AI marked with the faction animal as an enemy. And so now you can go back to your dog, and I would give it the.
What was doggy? There's doggy.
And give it the animal faction.
There we go.
There we go. And that should work.
He only needs one as well.
Yep.
So he's saying creatures are his enemy. Lovely.
Yep.
Right. So are they a bit too close together? They are a little bit close. So let's put our insect right here. Right. Click play. Where's my doggy? Here's my doggy. Oh. Oh my word. Look, he's flying. He's just randomly going around. Oh. And now he's... Oh, bugger. Go on, doggy. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Get him. So how do we put in the sounds for him to be attacking me and stuff?
Yeah. So if you wanted to, you could go to the sounds tab and add all your own sounds for attacking, being injured, dying, all that stuff.
Cool. My doggy seemed to be a bit far away from him, but yet he was still able to attack him. So are we able to change the radius for his attack?
Yes, that can be adjusted by going to the detection tab. Oh, sorry, the combat tab within the AI settings.
AI settings.
Combat.
Here we go.
Down a little bit, right there. Attack distance.
Okay, cool. Put it down to about
That should
2.
be good.
So what does too close distance do?
That applies to non-companion AI, but what it does is if a target gets too close, then the AI will shift its position so the target isn't so close to him.
Ah. And our insect, make sure that AI settings, combat. Where was it? Attack distance, put him down to about 2 as well. Lovely. Okay, cool. And where would you say was the sounds? Go to sounds here.
tab.
Does the insect have any sounds? Do we get any sounds with this pack? Did he give us any sounds? I don't think he gave us any sounds. Well, that's a shame. We'll have to record our own sounds of us going, ugh, yeah, blah, stuff like that. Okay, well, you just click a plus here and then you added a sound in and away you go. And if you put more sounds, then it will randomize which one it plays, I'm assuming.
Yes, that's correct. And there's you can use as many sounds as you need to.
Wonderful. All right. So, as we don't have any sounds, I will provide the sounds for the dog and the birdie, the insecty thing. So, here I am, going for a lovely walk. Bzzz, that's the sound of the insect. Oh no, there's an insect. And it's in, where is he gone? Oh, he's in my face. Oh, come on, doggy, doggy, woof. Doggy says woof. Splurge, splurge. Come on, doggy. Come on, doggy. Eat him. That's it. Go for it. Take him. Come on. Come on. Yes. All right, there we go. Lovely.
Very nice.
Beautiful. So that was literally like 10 minutes to add my doggy and this weird flying insect. Oh, he's going in a bit of a... His run, need to speed up his run animations because he seems to be running in slow motion.
So what that is there's a dynamic option that will adjust the AI's run animation speed according to the distance traveled from the player to make it always perfectly match its speed. But that can also be disabled, and you can adjust things manually if desired.
Okay, where do we find that? So I go back to my doggy. Is it in AI settings? Or animations?
It depends if you want to use the dynamic one or not, but you can try go to the movement tab.
Yep.
And making its animation speed for running maybe 1.2.
Where was the animation speed one? This one here?
Yep.
1.2. Let's try that. Come on, doggy. That's better. Oh! Kick his ass! Kick his ass! Come on, doggy. Come on, doggy. So if I wanted to program in a way for me to be able to point and send my dog to different waypoints, can we do that in Emerald?
Through like custom code, you can.
So would that be setting up a waypoint? But you said earlier about programmatic waypoints.
Yes, I have several built-in like API for controlling companion AI, and you would just set its position, and it would follow them accordingly. It doesn't matter what wander type it currently has. So.
Well, we're gonna have to play about with that another time. Okay, we're just making our own Fallout 4 now. So here's our doggy. You see, like he runs. He's running fast. It's just this last bit when he gets. There you go. That last bit when he's really close to you, he slows down too much.
So if you wanted it to be consistent, you would just adjust it and make it manual. So go to AI settings.
Yep.
Movement.
Yep.
And then follow speed type would be manual.
Okay, cool.
and that would allow it just to stay a consistent speed.
All right. I'm going to reduce my distance. It gets a bit closer. Stopping controls the distance. Stop before waypoints and targets. Okay, move that down so they're there. Slow mo dog. Yes, it was my slow mo dog. Okay, come on, doggy. Oh, he's taken on because I've been aggroed because he's seen me. He's in defense mode, so he's protecting his master. Come on, doggy. Come on. Come on, take on the fly. Come on, doggy, protect him. Protect me. There you go. That was really easy to set up. Ridiculously easy to set up. You probably should have a movement state that transitions from walk to run and back to walk depending on speed. Ah, yes, that would be nice. Is that something that we would be able to do ourselves or by customizing the code inside Emerald?
That's another improvement that I have planned when I get the chance. You know, I maintain, you know, three pretty popular assets. So,
but are we able to, like, if we wanted to customize it ourselves, we'd be able to just get our hands dirty?
I can't see why you wouldn't be able to add a state in between. I haven't tested it though, so I can't say for sure.
That just sounds like something I'm going to have on a weekend now to sit and play about with, I think. I really love how it's so easy to set this doggy up. I'm going to have to do some tutorials now to show how I can get this dog behaving like dog meat from Fallout. Wow, that was ridiculously easy. Guys, this is... Where's my dog gone? Oh, where's my... Oh, there he is. Hello. I'm looking around for my dog and I look down and there he is. Oh, little doggy. Can make him a little bit bigger though. He's a little bit small, isn't he?
Oh yeah, he's a little small.
Fresh Meat, you've got this dog in real life. Fresh Meat's got this doggy in real life. Lovely. There you go. That's a giant dog. There he is. That's a little bit more accurate for the breed. Right. Now go and eat this fly. There you go. Protect your daddy. That's more like it. Now you feel like this dog could take on this weird flying creature. Yeah, we'll wait for Kinematica and forget about blend trees. Did you see that Kinematica in the Unite keynote?
I didn't get a chance to see it, no.
If you've seen that game For Honor with the motion matching and all that stuff. So it's basically, I think, did I say that? They paid one of the developers of For Honor to make the same thing for Unity. So yeah, I think these are the kind of things that's going to make Unity be a little bit more exciting to play with than Unreal. Alright, so that was Emerald. That was how easy it is to play with Emerald AI. Seeing as we're playing with Emerald AI, should we do a raffle and give away a copy of Emerald AI to someone? What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Alright, all you need to do to win yourself or to be in for a chance to win this is make sure that you are a follower on the channel. Also, stick a sub over on YouTube, YouTube in chat, somebody please. He's now part of the Unity team, exactly. He's now part of the Unity team. Raffle. No, not Waffle. Yeah, I can't pronounce my R's, and yes, it does sound a bit like a waffle sometimes. I haven't started it yet, Yolan, so we're going to click giveaway. Let me clear out the last giveaway we did, which was for Sanyo's goodies. Sanyo gave us some toys to give away. Thank you, Sanyo, for that. So this is Emerald AI from BHS. Now, everyone in chat, don't forget that you can pick this up on the asset store if you're not a lucky winner. If somebody wants to give an exclamation mark emerald in chat.
I tell you what.
Oh,
Let's have one more.
what's that? Nux Phantom, thank you for following just in time before the giveaway starts. Oh, I see what you've done there.
I tell you what. Let's have one more.
You're not already a follower? I thought you already were. Oh dear. Well, you got in there just in time before the raffle starts. Never mind. Better late than never, mate. Let's click open giveaway. Okay. So, exclamation marks. Raffles in chat. Fresh Meat is the first one in. Sengoku second. Mark's in third. Gigaballs in fourth. Don't forget, it is random. It's not first come, first served. But there seems to be some kind of competition always with who gets the first name in the raffle giveaway list. This time, Fresh Meat, you were the first one. Congratulations. Suck it, Max. It's a little bit harsh there, Fresh Meat. You are a mod, don't forget, mate. Oh, Distant Temples. Didn't see you pop in, mate. Welcome in. So, as I drink my lovely glass of water, apart from the animations updates that you're going to be having in supporting blend trees, what other things have you got in mind for Emerald?
I plan on adding
Let's have one more.
ragdoll support, so when the AI die, they have, you know, ragdoll effect.
Oh, nice. That'd be good.
I also have full root motion support,
I tell you what. Let's have
herds, and a breeding system, like the version 1 version of Emerald. And those are all coming hopefully within the next month or so.
Oh yeah, the breeding system was what got everyone excited with Emerald when it came out. Those videos of you had your pigs in a pen getting dirty with each other, making baby pigs.
Yeah, that's definitely coming back. So, yeah.
So, I mean, Emerald's strength seems to be more with its animals and the logic of how the animals work. But you can still use it for humanoid, like fantasy, medieval type melee weapons.
Yeah, and you can see a few of my videos on YouTube that demonstrate that. So.
Have we got time? I don't think we've got time to do another animal. I wanted to play about with a bear, but we could play about with that one another time. I hope you enjoyed playing with Emerald AI as much as I did. Absolutely loved this asset. It was a lot of fun. Next, we're going to be playing with Crux. This was taken from my live Twitch stream, or the www.twitch.tv/themessage where you can find me every Fridays and Saturdays playing on Twitch, making dev tutorials, playing games, and even interviewing people like Black Horizon Studios that we did just here. If you want to take part, just pop over to Twitch, click follow. When I go live, you'll get a notification. Why do you want to take part? Well, we do asset giveaways as well. Not only can you ask questions, have chats, and enjoy these live streams, you can win things too. Oh, well, I'm going to sit here, upload the next video. So don't forget, if you do like these videos, you want to see more, click on that big juicy red subscribe button down below. Tell all your friends and neighbours, and if you do like it, click it. Till next time. If you want to see more of my crazy videos, click on the left side of your screen now, and down below there's that big juicy subscribe button, and right next to it is the magic bell that if you click it, it will tell you if I've got a new video coming out. Till next time.